Boom, welcome back to the channel. Not gonna lie, this one gives me massive nostalgia of pancakes what back in the day, guys. So this one here is ripping right now, $900 million market cap. You can see looking at the last 7 days, it did drop down to $6 too. Over the month as well, it also dropped down to $5.34 and it's almost up an entire 2x from that particular bottom. Now, there's been some juicy news, probably why it is pumping. It's up 41% on the week, which is insane. But here we can see, look, the Berachain works for you. Find the best rewards vault and see where you can earn more, powered by proof of liquidity. Start earning more today, it says. So this is kind of like a dApp in its own way, right? But it's its own chain. You can see March 24, proof of liquidity is live, fueling the applications you use and rewarding economic activity. The era of earning more starts today. And there are quite a lot of question marks around it, still wrapping your head around proof of liquidity. So you can do a bit of research. Always use the correct Twitter when doing so, which you can usually find on CoinMarketCap over here on the X icon that you see right there. So always do your own research, folks, and do it with due diligence, and be careful out there that you are looking at legit websites. So yeah, I had a look at it and you can see here is the vault and things. So this is on the vault side of things. And you can see there's tons of different pairs, liquidity pairs, different incentives, different rates, different reward distributions. And looking at their pools, there's also this area where you can create your own pool. It says add liquidity, earn swap fees, and BGT incentives. Pretty cool to see as well. So for example, you have like BYUSD and Honey, TVO locked in 500 mil. You've got USTC, CE and Honey. You've got BERA, Honey, and all of these give different percentages and yields. So pretty interesting to actually see this as well. I've not actually tested the product or nothing, but just looking, it says the dawn of proof of liquidity, redefining incentives and user rewards. Represent to you POL. So it says they're very excited to announce the official launch of proof of liquidity on Berachain. This is a major step forward for the Berachain network and marks a transitional period for how consensus, incentives, and liquidity will interact on chain from this point onward. So that's a good blog to read. Maybe I'll leave this blog down below for you guys to take a look at, so you can always do your own research, because that's a bit of an essay and I don't really fancy reading it right now. So what else we got? Crypto fear and greed index sitting at 40. So we still have fear in the markets, ladies and gents. There's no bullish behavior out here. There's no people entering the market. There's no FOMO right now. There's no fresh retail liquidity or nothing like that. This market is indeed boring, and that's just the way it is. And this is the sort of phase where we consolidate, re-strategize, find those coins that you've been bullish on, over time, and consider what your plan is going to be now. So you can see we are in a Bitcoin season. We are not in an altcoin season. I don't predict another alt season, like a true one, for at least another 6 to 10 months. And yeah, just looking at the price action of BERA, you can see it is trying to actually reclaim some lost highs of like $9.10. But this does look a bit like a macro rising wedge, and typically we do lose support on these rising wedges, but with all that good news that has just recently happened, it could be enough to keep this coin pumping and move into the upside. And that would be brilliant if we could have such activity occur. But it's of course really hard to say, where is this coin going to go? Nobody truly knows the future. But we can see we have got a lot of support written down here at $7.50. And just recently we have blasted through that resistance at $8.31. So we might actually get continuation here. We might actually go higher, guys. We might even see that resistance actually broken through of $9.10 and see even $10 at some point soon. So it's definitely something that could occur, but equally we are looking a bit overbought on the 4-hour time frame here. Checking the 1-day time frame, which is right here. We are not super overbought just yet, but we don't have that much historical data of this token just yet. So yeah, we can see we were really overbought in February. We're really overbought 25th of March, was when that good news also came around. So yeah, I think we could break $10 here. I don't want to like jinx it or anything, but I think if we get appropriate like hype and the bulls are in control and there's good buying pressure here and everything does well, we could potentially see $10 for Berachain. So yeah, really excited about the one. Guys, want to say as well, if you're still here, thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you want to hit your goals. Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is my Discord, is doing absolutely insane right now. Look at all these wins from all these traders. You could also be in the Discord. The link is down below. It's completely free. So come in, say hi, join the general chat, which is literally right here, where people are just chatting all the time, blah de blah de da. We've got 37,000 members in this Discord, so please do join. Come say hello, like I say, and hang out with us, and let's see if you can also get some massive wins. Like, look at this trade here. It's absolutely bizarre to see these people making these incredible trades. I'm so happy that people are making money from the server as well. If you do want to get the private side of things for all the VIP alpha and all that juicy stuff, check out the Patreon at the top of the link. If you're serious about your crypto and you want to grow in this space, have a little look, ladies and gents. We don't have a lot of space remaining, but the top tier is $100 per month. You can see the second right here, you're going to get all these benefits. We've got a really early contract address happening towards the end of the month as well with Solana token, which you do not want to miss out on. I'm very, very excited, and we should be able to get you into this quite early as well. Not financial advice, of course, but yeah, if you're looking to also upgrade yourself and really invest in crypto from a knowledge perspective, educational point of view, then check out the Discord. You can see things are going very well. People are making decent gains here. And I'm very keen to see what could happen next. Also, if you're looking to buy Berachain or just cryptos in general, have a little look at Blowfin down below. A globally accessible, no KYC required, centralized exchange where you can do all your buying. You can go long, you can do your leverage trading, you can do whatever you wish to. You can also do copy trading and copy some of the hottest traders out there in the markets and try and replicate their ROIs. So guys, that's about a wrap of this video. Subscribe if you're new here, like this video, and drop me a comment down below. What are you doing in crypto at the moment? I'm so curious. Also, you might get some juicy bonus rewards with Blowfin as well. Hopefully they're still doing that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Will Berachain get to $10? That's the big question. Peace.